Imagine getting all the rewards, cash back, and travel perks from your credit card without ever paying a single dollar in annual fees. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I am breaking down the top 5 credit cards with no annual fee that give you serious value without extra cost. Stay tuned, because the last one might surprise you. Welcome back to RichMap, where we help you make smarter financial decisions and grow your wealth step by step. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because every week we dive into ways to save money, build credit, and level up your financial game. Let's get into the cards that give you maximum rewards for 0 annual fee. Starting off with number 5, Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Card. This one's a classic choice for beginners and experienced users alike. You'll earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. No rotating categories, no confusion. Plus, there's no foreign transaction fee, which makes it great for travelers. Capital One also offers strong fraud protection and free access to your credit score, making it a solid, simple, and reliable option. Number 4, Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card is an all-rounder that gives you serious value. You'll get 5% back on travel booked through Chase, 3% on dining in drugstores, and 1.5% on everything else. Pair this card with a Chase Sapphire account later, and you can even transfer your points for travel rewards worth much more. For a no-fee card, that's a power move. Number 3, Discover It Cashback. Discover gives you rotating 5% cashback categories each quarter, like groceries, gas, or Amazon purchases, and 1% on everything else. The best part? They'll match all the cashback you earn in your first year. So if you earn $200, Discover turns it into $400. No gimmicks, just pure value. Number 2, Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. If you want simplicity and power, this one's for you. ULL get unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase. That is one of the highest flat rate returns for a no annual fee card. It also offers cell phone protection when you pay your bill with it, which most people don't even realize is included. And finally, number 1, Citi Double Cash Card. This is one of the best no-fee cards for people who want consistent, straightforward rewards. ULL earn 1% when you buy and another 1% when you pay off your balance, totaling 2% cash back on everything. No categories, no limits. Just clean, easy cash rewards. It's a perfect everyday card for anyone focused on maximizing returns with 0 complications. So there you have it, 5 of the best credit cards in the US that offer powerful perks without charging you an annual fee. Whether you're looking to build credit, earn cash back, or travel smarter, these options can fit right into your wallet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below telling me which card you pick. And of course, subscribe to RichMap for more smart money content every week. Until next time, keep mapping your way to financial freedom.